Hey guys, hope you are all having an amazing day. Today we got a pretty interesting video to watch, and one that will quite frankly make GameStop shareholders really happy. This is building up on the uncertainty of registered shares in GameStop's transfer agent. I am going to explain everything down to the bone so that even the newer members know what's up. Before we start, let me 181.07 million GME shares, of which 75.4 million are registered with the company's transfer agent. These shares, constituting a significant 41% of the shares held by retail investors and 25% of total shares, are less readily available for short-term trades and are not immediately accessible to short sellers. Even in the face of substantial share price declines, GME's direct registration numbers have remained stable, further highlighting the stickiness of these DRS shares. GameStop is unique as one of the few publicly traded companies with such a large percentage of its float registered with a transfer agent. If this percentage increases further, short sellers could find themselves squeezed for a supply of shortable shares, which could potentially act as a positive catalyst for GME's share price, and that's the point of this video. When you account for the overall sentiment of hedge funds in regards to shorting GameStop, you see that it's weakening. They know this company can't go down in value at its current outlook. This isn't me just saying it, like I said a moment ago, look at the put-call ratios. On top of that, we know more and more shares are being directly registered, removing shares from being able to be manipulated and increasing chances for potential squeezes in the future, given hedge funds and friends will have a harder time allocating them given the scarcity in the markets. In fact, you guys want to know something pretty crazy? So as you guys know, I personally keep my shares on my Webull account. I noticed that, after checking with someone when they bought their GameStop shares, that Webull will automatically make those shares you have been on the fully paid securities lending program. This program, known as FPSL for short, is very simply. It refers to brokers like Webull paying you for the existing securities that you own on your portfolio for allowing them to be lent out. Guys, listen to me very closely. I have seen people legitimately own like one share of GameStop and they automatically get lent out. Users can obviously decline this, but the fact that this happens with any small amount of shares shows just how barren and scarce finding shares is becoming. GME is getting locked up through ComputerShare and it's definitely having an impact. I do not know what holds for us in the future in 2024, but let me tell you, whatever it is, I am more excited for it as a long-term GameStop investor than I was for 2022 and 2023. Fellas, let me know what you think of the video down in the comments below, and more importantly, stop putting off on joining my Discord. What do you have to lose anyways? You can exit if you think it's not worth your while, but I guarantee you, it is very much so. Like I said, we have been absolutely killing it lately. This week I am not alerting to day trade entries since I am taking a week off from trading, but outside of that, just look at the results. We got all kinds of books available for you to download, we got a thorough guide and long-term investment channels dedicated to teaching you the benefits of investing along with the educational materials so that you can learn how to find the best investments for you. Come join already if you haven't, and let me know down in the comment section here what you think of the video. Thank you all so much for watching this video through its end. I hope to see you on the next one, to the moon.